Yes. I'm Bhagyalakshmi, Department of Mathematics in the SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the case study. I choose the case study in the field of partial differential equations, and in the partial differential, how to form the partial differential equations that are we can discuss here. So we not only the formation, classification, and solution techniques also we are going to discuss them. So basically, the partial differential equations are formed by eliminating the arbitrary constants and arbitrary functions. And here, next, yes. So here we are discussing based on the partial differential equation is nothing but depends upon the multivariables, and on compared to the ordinary differential equation, it is dependent with single variable. So here only the multivariables concepts only we are going to discuss, and such as space, time, whatever it is, you can choose. So physical motivation and examples. So physically how it is used. So Jiva, please learn and explain.
In physical motivation, examples of PE is heat conduction, wave propagation, and fluid dynamics and electrodynamics. In heat conduction, the deterioration of the temperature which involves over. And in wave propagation, the wave describes the behavior of various waves in the sound waves. And fluid dynamics, the important fluid dynamics is Navier-Stokes equation, fundamental PD equations. And electromagnetics are Maxwell's equation, which we studied in 10th standard. Maxwell's equation were used in PD equation.
Okay. So next we discussed about the how we are using the partial differential equation, how that we are using. So Ishani, please comment it.
So it's here about the unique and stable solutions and necessary information about the boundaries and the initial value problems. So the boundary value problems are imposed on the partial boundaries of the domain, and the initial value problems will give state at the specific of initial times. Right.
So mostly we use the boundary value problems and initial value. Boundaries means the starting ending points of the boundary values are given. Initial means only that the initial values are given. So based on this, we can solve the heat and wave equations. So next, please Ishani comment about the techniques. What are the techniques we are using?
The solution technique and model of just partial differentiation equation are complex and it has require advanced analytic and numerical method. Firstly, I having analytic method. This include variable or integral transform and use for simpler and often linear equations. And second, we have numerical method. This is used for complex or non-linear PDEs. And this method very used for finite difference. And third, we have deep learning, which we learn deeply through breakthroughs and include neural networks to solve the problems.
The solutions are based on the partial differential equation. Basically, can characterize by these three models. That is the analytical methods means not only with them, we can separate we can calculate separate the techniques which we use. So basically, Fourier series, Fourier transforms, Laplace transforms that are based on this partial differential equation. There we are discussing the linear equations. Not only with the non-linear equations, also we are using for the non-linear equation. The deep learning we can choose. So in this deep learning, the many research workers what's up going on, and basically the research works based on the mostly with the neural networks. And then numerical methods, in the numerical methods, whether it is a complex or non-linear partial differential equation. So such methods we are using basically mostly the finite difference and finite element methods and finite volume are discussing here. So not only with these concepts. So in Fourier series, we are discussing how we have Fourier, the base on how the heat. Okay. So basically, the neural networks are in we are using in research work. So deep learning, basically based on the computer science department, and not only with that, all the research work are going nowadays going on in that field. Okay. Now, next, please, I will come and summarize this concepts.
There are two types: fundamental models, physical laws, solution statistics, what and impact. Fundamental models, 3D are indispensable for modeling complex and multivariable systems are like to science and engineering. Solution statistics, classification, weights, selection of correct analytic and solution. Physical laws, their formation involves translating physical laws into precise mathematical expression using partial derivatives. Modern impact computational methods include the deep learning. It's easy to expand and understandable to farmer days.
Yes, thank you. So here we can come to a conclusion. Based on that, we can in solution strategies we are calculating the we are finding the appropriate selection of this method, as well as in computational methods means we are using the deep learning concepts. In physical laws means we are converting the physical laws into mathematical expressions. Like that, we are not only within this field, in all the fields, the Cauchy equation is a base for all the field. Thank you.